So hello guys, welcome back again at iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get crying filter on the Instagram in iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram users to say in the Snapchat and also TikTok crying filter is trending. So Instagram users question is how to get the crying filter on the Instagram in iPhone and Android device. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you have subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video, I will show you how to get crying filter on Instagram account in iPhone and Android. Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android. Now open the Instagram application. In the Instagram you can see also left hand side corner your profile icon. Now please make sure tap on it and bottom to select the story. In the story sections, now select the anyone filter and tap on it. Select the anyone filter. After you can see also menu is open. Now select the browse the gallery effect. Now in this option now you can see also right hand side corner searching icon. Now search the crying filter. Crying filter search. After you can see also lot of crying filter available in the Instagrams. But still I suggest you particular crying filter on the Instagram. You can easily make the photos and videos. This filter too you can easily upload on your Instagram reels. Now select the this ones also crying filter on your Instagram and bottom to save in your iPhone as well as Android device. Save the filter. After again come back in the home screens. Now again the story sections. Now bottom to select the swipe right hand side. You can easily get the crying filter. Now you can the front camera too you can easily crying filter apply on your face and easy to make photos and videos from the Instagram reels. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.